Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Justin, and all the best in your new role as a broker with Arlington Road Company. But nonetheless, all the best. And congratulations to you, Steve, a well-deserved recognition of your role in supporting risk management education in our management community. So thank you again, and congratulations. Thank you to Spencer Educational Foundation for this honor. I guess I can't say that, I'm really deeply touched, and I'm also deeply touched that so many of my friends turned out tonight to support this foundation, so thank you again. And it has particular meaning to me, principally because I was raised in a culture that believes education is something that no one can take away from you. You can take a lot of things away, but not the education. So something that's very important to me. And at FM Global, we believe it's critical that risk management education be supported in a more effective manner because we've seen the benefits firsthand. During 175 years in business, how education has played a significant role in our history and the success of our clients. I'm absolutely delighted to see that the art and science of risk management is getting more attention in universities and seeing those programs expanding with Spencer's support. Because we all know that business world is becoming increasingly complex, is driven by challenges like globalization, different cultural views of risk, complexity of supply chains, rapid change in technology, and God knows the pressures of working in a world with instantaneous communications. So it becomes clear that tomorrow's graduates of risk management programs face a time where there's a great opportunity for them. Yet those graduates will come head-to-head with much greater professional hurdles than many of us in this room had to deal with when we started our careers. In fact, Steve and I were casually talking about the fact that if we had to look for a job in the insurance business today, we probably would be hired. Likewise, for the insurance industry, it's important for insurers, brokers, and our clients to have access to the best and brightest graduates because the world economy requires a fundamentally strong property and casualty infrastructure within the framework of risk management. Risk management is all about assessing, reducing, offsetting, and/or transferring risk. The world economy can flourish and grow if risk managers, brokers, and insurers do an effective job of meeting the needs of the clients and employers we serve. Without that, businesses cannot take calculated risks to grow their top or bottom lines with global expansion, outsourcing, or with new products. To cope with these current and future challenges, universities offering risk management education need to continue to innovate because the only way businesses and economies grow successfully is through having effective risk management practices in their organizations. But there is a gap. The long-term success of world economies depends on how well a job we as risk managers, brokers, and insurers do with managing risk. As the world becomes more complicated, we need to continually have graduates with stronger specialty skills that go beyond just actuarial sciences, insurance contracts, and the statutory insurance environment. Risk management will require greater creative and critical thinking that goes beyond a pure risk transfer solution. Risk mitigation and prevention strategies must be integrated into the product and manufacturing design, supply chains, and strategic decision-making. Company reputation, competitiveness, and possible survival will all depend on it. It's no longer sufficient to just focus on one piece of the risk management pie. At FM Global, we find that dealing with well-schooled and well-trained graduates help us all work together more effectively as a team. No matter that graduate is with a broker, a client, or another insurer. In its totality, that helps business develop even stronger risk management programs and cultures. FM Global is pleased to have the ability and the resources to contribute to the Spencer Educational Foundation. You and I are at this gala tonight because we agree that the work that Spencer is doing is vital And I thank all of you for your support and your unhesitating support of the Spencer Foundation today and tomorrow. The Spencer Foundation is to be commended for looking forward, for realizing that inspiring lifelong learning begins at the university level, and for helping ensure that tomorrow's risk managers are well educated and prepared for the riskier world that tomorrow brings. Thank you everyone for joining me tonight, and have a great evening. Thank you.